Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off driving mode in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to turn on or off driving mode, so let's see how can I do that. You just have to simply go ahead to your phone settings. Now once you are in settings, go to mode and routines, and here just select driving. If your driving mode is on, so you must see here on option, just click on it, and here you'll see the turn off button. Just click on turn off and it will be turned off. Or if you want to turn it back on, just click on turn on and your driving mode will be enabled. You must see here the icon of driving, or you can also delete your driving mode. Just click on these three dots over here, click on delete, and then confirm to delete your driving mode. So in this way, you can easily turn on or off or delete driving mode in your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.